All set and ready to race. Race number 1. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Gun with the Wind from the outside, and Princess Layla by the rail. Simply Gold. It's Gun with the Wind followed by Simply Gold, and Princess Layla picked the boom. And Hello Africa on the outside for Chi. Entry number 5, Self-Made and Incorruptible. And nearing the far turn, it's Gun with the Wind by 3.5 lengths, followed by Simply Gold in second. Princess Layla picked the boom, and Hello Africa on the outside. Other far turn, it is still Gun with the Wind maintaining a 3 lengths lead, followed by Simply Gold in second. Picked the boom, and Princess Layla by the rail. Hello Africa. The last bend for home, it is still the favorite, and that is Gun with the Wind by 4.5 lengths, followed by Simply Gold. Picked the boom on the outside. At the top of the stretch, it is still Gun with the Wind, now pulling away from the field, followed by Pick the Boom and Simply Gold. Princess Layla, Hello Africa on the farther outside. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Gun with the Wind. And finally, it's just like a walk in the park for Gun with the Wind. Pick the Boom, Simply Gold. Pochi, Self-Made, Incorruptible, Princess Layla.